Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Nervous.
It's okay. And what's your name, please?
My name is Michael Ketterer.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from East Tennessee, but right now I live in Orange County.
And tell me a bit about you. What do you do for a living?
I'm a pediatric mental health nurse.
Okay. And what are you going to be doing for us? Are you a singer?
Yes, sir.
So this is kind of a different direction, you coming on a show like this, Michael. So tell me what the thought process was. What's the ambition, the dream here?
Well, my family's my reason why I'm here. My wife and my 6 children.
Six children.
Yeah. You know, one of the things that happens, especially because my children came out of foster care, when you're surviving, you can't dream. And that has been one of the most rewarding things, is providing them with a home and a safe environment where they're free to dream.
That's nice.
And so I'm here because I want to show them that if their dad can live out his dreams, then nothing's impossible for them.
Good for you. Okay, Michael, well, listen, we're all rooting for you.
Thank you. There's a light, a certain kind of light that's never shone on me. I want my whole life to be lived with you, lived with you. 'Cause baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way that I love you. Oh, the way that I love you. And though you'll never know, you'll never ever know just the way that I love you. Oh, the way that I love you. And baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like.
Yeah, Michael, you know what? When we find singers on these shows, is it about being technical or is it about being relevant? And sometimes, for me, it's just about being real and a surprise, if I'm being honest with you, because you were so nervous, I was concerned for you. But I think sometimes actions speak louder than words.
Fantastic audition.
Who's this?
This is Ronnie.
Hello. Daddy good? me tell you, something about your voice, I genuinely mean this, is special. And everything was perfect. You deserve it. I really mean that.